Import a file from a subdirectory. I have a file called tester.py, located on project. Project has a subdirectory called lib, with a file called boxtime.py. I want to import boxtime from tester. I have tried this, which resulted. Any ideas how to import boxtime from the subdirectory? Edit. The __init__.py was the problem, but don't forget to refer to boxtime as lib.boxtime, or use.
Take a look at the packages documentation, section 6.4. In short, you need to put a blank file named in the lib directory.
Create a subdirectory named lib. Create an empty file named lib__init__.py. In lib_boxtime.py, write a function foo, like this. In your client code in the directory above lib, write run your client code. You will get much later in Linux, it would look like this.
You can try inserting it in sys.path.
I am writing this down because everyone seems to suggest that you have to create a lib directory. You don't need to name your subdirectory lib, you can name it anything provided you put an __init__.py into it. You can do that by entering the following command in a Linux shell. So now you have this structure. Then you can import mylib into main.py like this. You can also import functions and classes like this. Any variable function or class you place inside __init__.py can also be accessed. Or like this.
Try import.lib.boxtime. For more information, read about relative import in PEP 328.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.